Hello, I'm Angie. In this video, I'm going to cover how to upload your CIS 152 folders to your GoDaddy Managed WordPress hosting accounts. Once you're done, you should be able to access it online by typing in the correct folder path. First, you're going to need to install an FTP client. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using WinSCP, which has also been installed on the Room 223 lab computers. If you find that you don't like WinSCP, there are other clients available, such as FileZilla and CyberDuck. Okay. For this next part, you're going to want to make sure that your CIS 152 folder is already created and somewhere you can easily access. For me, I've already created one on my desktop, and it's got a sandbox folder with an O1 folder to act as my mini site and an index file to act as my landing page. Inside of the O1 folder, I've got an images folder with an image file and a test HTML file in the same level as the images folder that will display the image. Since I've added code to my pages, I'll be able to see something other than a blank page. That way I can make sure that I know everything's working. Also, you'll want to note that for the landing page, this part of the URL is currently on my desktop, but we're going to later put this on, we're going to type this in and attach to our domain name. Okay. For this last part, we are going to look for our FTP username and password. Go ahead and log into GoDaddy and navigate to your My Products page. If you're having trouble finding it, you can always click on the 9 dots here and go down to Manage My Products. Note that you can only see this view if you've logged in properly and navigated to your View My account. Okay, under Manage WordPress on this page, find your domain name that you want to use. You may have multiple if you've bought more than one. And click on the Manage button beside it. Okay, on this page, we want to scroll down to Settings and find our SFTP user and click on the View link beside it. Inside this window, we want to use this info to connect to connect with our FTP client. So this information goes inside our FTP login. I'm going to switch over to WinSCP and give you an idea of where everything goes. Okay, so first off, once you've opened WinSCP, you automatically get the login screen. It should automatically go to new site, and the file protocol should automatically be SFTP. If not, click on the drop down and switch it to SFTP. Note that the port number should be 22. Your domain name or host name that was listed in the pop-up should go inside here, as well as the username and password. For future reference, you can save this login, so that way you don't have to retype your password or username. Once you've plugged in your info, you want to click on the login button. Currently it's grayed out because I don't have anything plugged in. Once you have stuff plugged in, this login button will not be grayed out anymore, and you'll be able to connect. I've logged into the hosting with my FTP client, I've got all the files listed, including the CIS 152 folder that I uploaded earlier. So I'll go ahead and delete that for a clean slate. Okay. So on this side, I want to navigate to my desktop folder. So here, under My Documents, click that and navigate to Desktop. Okay. Automatically, I see the CIS 152 folder, and I'm going to upload that. So just click to select, and then hit Upload. Okay. Upload file CIS 152 to remote directory. Go ahead and hit OK. Alright, and it's all set. So if I double click on it, I'll see my sandbox, O1 folder, and index.html, the test and images folder inside my O1 folder, and inside my images folder, I've got the image that I saved. Okay, so I will minimize this, open a new tab, and then go to swccis123.org. Okay, so now that I'm in here, if I type in /CIS152 / again sandbox / index.html. Okay, I've got that landing page that I created. The test link links to my page with the graphic. Okay, you may have a slightly different URL that you need to type in, but it should be something similar to the folder path that's in here. Sandbox index. Okay? Okay, and that's it.